For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a fence business can be a rewarding venture as it meets the needs of residential, commercial, and industrial clients who require security, privacy, or aesthetic enhancements. Leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, can streamline the process from planning and marketing to operations and customer service. This step-by-step guide will walk you through how to start a fence business with the help of AI tools, including practical AI-powered prompt examples for each stage. 1. Research and validate your fence business idea. Before diving into the fence business, it's critical to validate the demand and competition in your target market. AI tools can analyze market trends, customer preferences, and competitor strategies efficiently. Use AI-powered market research tools like Crimson Hexagon, Brandwatch, or Google Trends to understand fence-related search trends and consumer sentiment. Use ChatGPT for a competitive analysis prompt example. Analyze the fence installation market in your city/state. Identify top competitors, their services, pricing strategies, and customer reviews. Provide opportunities for differentiation. Use AI-driven surveys or feedback platforms like SurveyMonkey enhanced by AI to gather insights on what potential customers want in fencing services. 2. Create a business plan using AI. A solid business plan outlines your goals, target market, competitive advantage, and financial projections. AI can help draft a professional business plan quickly and tailor it to your goals. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to generate a business plan draft. Input key information such as your location, services, e.g., wood, vinyl, chain-link fences, pricing model, and marketing approach. Prompt example. Create a detailed business plan for a new fence installation business based in location. Include an executive summary, market analysis, marketing strategy, operational plan, and financial projections. Consider AI tools like LivePlan that use AI to guide you through business plan development with financial modeling and benchmarking features. 3. Register your business and obtain licenses. Register your business legally and secure any necessary permits or licenses. AI tools can guide you through the legal requirements and paperwork. Use AI-driven legal platforms like LegalZoom or Rocket Lawyer that use AI to customize registration documents, contracts, and license applications. Use ChatGPT to clarify licensing requirements. Prompt example. What are the legal requirements and licenses needed to start a fence installation business in your state/country? 4. Set up your operations with AI tools. Efficient operations are key to delivering quality fencing services on time and within budget. AI can help optimize scheduling, supply chain, and cost estimation. Use AI-powered project management tools like Trello with Butler AI, Monday.com, or Asana for scheduling jobs, managing teams, and tracking progress. Implement AI cost estimation tools such as Clear Estimates or BuildZact to generate accurate quotes for fencing projects based on materials, labor, and time. Use ChatGPT for operational workflows. Prompt example. Generate a detailed workflow for installing a wood fence, including materials needed, labor steps, estimated time, and quality control checks. 5. Source materials smartly. Fence materials vary widely: wood, vinyl, metal, chain link, and sourcing them at competitive prices is crucial. AI can help identify the best suppliers and predict price trends. Use AI procurement platforms like ScoutBee or Levadata that leverage AI to find reliable suppliers and negotiate prices. Use AI price monitoring tools to track fluctuations in raw material prices to buy at optimal times. Ask ChatGPT for supplier negotiation tips. Prompt example. Provide negotiation strategies to get the best pricing from fencing material suppliers. 6. Build a brand and marketing plan using AI. Marketing is essential to attract residential and commercial clients. AI tools can create effective branding and digital marketing strategies. Use AI branding tools like Loca or Tailor Brands to design your logo, brand colors, and business cards. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI for marketing copywriting, social media posts, and email campaigns. Prompt example. Write a marketing plan for a fence business targeting homeowners and small businesses in location. Include digital marketing, local advertising, and referral programs. Leverage AI-powered advertising platforms like Facebook Ads Manager and Google Ads that optimize ad spend based on real-time data. Use AI SEO tools such as Surfer SEO or Ahrefs to optimize your website content and improve local search rankings. 7. Build an online presence with AI assistance. A professional website and online presence build trust and facilitate customer inquiries. Use AI website builders like Wix ADI, Bookmark, or Zyro that create custom websites based on your input. Use ChatGPT to generate website copy. Prompt example. Write website homepage content for a professional fence installation company that highlights quality, affordability, and local expertise. Use AI chatbots like Tidio or Drift on your website to answer customer questions instantly and capture leads 24/7. Leverage AI reputation management tools such as Birdeye or Podium to monitor and respond to online reviews. 8. Use AI for customer relationship management, CRM. Managing leads, follow-ups, and customer service can be enhanced with AI-powered CRM tools. Use platforms like HubSpot, Zoho CRM, or Salesforce Einstein that utilize AI to score leads, automate follow-ups, and analyze customer behavior. Use ChatGPT for customer email templates or service follow-up messages. Prompt example. Write a follow-up email template to thank customers after fence installation and request a review. 9. Train your team with AI support. Your crew's skills impact customer satisfaction. Use AI-driven training platforms to keep your team updated on the latest fencing techniques and safety protocols. Platforms like Coursera or Udemy use AI to recommend personalized learning paths. Use ChatGPT to create customized training manuals or safety guidelines. Prompt example. Create a safety training guide for fence installation workers focusing on tool use, handling materials, and on-site safety precautions. Summary. Starting a fence business with the help of AI tools enhances efficiency, professionalism, and scalability. From research and planning to marketing, operations, and customer service, AI can provide valuable insights and automation. Using AI-powered platforms like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, AI market research, CRM, and project management tools makes the process faster, more cost-effective, and adaptive to customer needs. If you want to take advantage of AI fully, start by outlining your business goals, then step-by-step integrate AI tools into your workflow. Keep testing and adjusting based on results and feedback, and you'll build a successful fence business that stands strong in a competitive market. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.